And Indrajit is joining us live right now from a protest site where doctors have come together to protest over the fact that two very prominent doctors in Bengal have also been summoned, issued notices by the Kolkata police. Indra, it's over to you to get us voices from the ground.
Well, Akshita, we are here at the Kolkata Medical College. This is the prestigious, institute, the Calcutta Medical College and Hospital. And, doctors cutting across from the city have gathered here because there has been a call for a protest march. Doctors here are showing their solidarity for two prominent voices from their community in the city, Dr. Kunal Sarkar and Dr. Subarna Goswami. You would remember, Akshita, Dr. Goswami is somebody whom I had spoken to, who was on our network a few days back, giving his opinion about the post-mortem report of the victim, because he is the one who actually saw the post-mortem report in the very initial days when he went and met the family of the victim. Today, both of them are going to visit the police headquarters in Kolkata because they have been served with notices because the Kolkata police, as they claim, have told them that they have, what they've said is provocative. It can lead to law and order issues. There are allegations that they have referred to the rape victim. Her identity was revealed. We don't know. But both these doctors have started this march along with other doctors. We'll try and catch them because this is unique. Doctors marching to the Kolkata police headquarters is not something that we have generally seen in the city of Kolkata. But as I said, multiple cross-sections of the society are breaking out in protest over this issue. It is a very, very emotive issue, no doubt. But you can see Dr. Kunal Sarkar, Dr. Subarna Goswami and other doctors, they are of course marching to the Kolkata police headquarters, that is Lal Bazar. Two doctors, of course, received the summon, as we have reported, and other doctors are now out on the street in their support. We'll try and speak to. So you can see Dr. Kunal Sarkar here and Dr. Subarna Goswami. These are the two doctors, who have received these summon from the Kolkata police. Let's quickly have a word with Dr. Sarkar. Dr. Sarkar, today you're walking to the Kolkata police headquarters. This is a very unlikely scenario. You should be in your chambers today.
Yes, Indrajit, I wish. These are very difficult times, and I think
I am requesting you. Just 1 minute.
I wish things settle down, and I wish for patients and doctors both, life comes back to normality. But this problem has to be addressed. Please, this is a time for reconciliation and de-escalation.
All right. Time for reconciliation and de-escalation is what Dr. Sarkar is telling us. He just spoke to the protesting doctors just a short while back. As soon as he came here, he gave a speech, both Dr. Sarkar and Dr. Goswami, and they were trying to say that this is not the time for antagonism. This is the time to soothe nerves, and this is the time to address the core issue. And the core issue is safety and security of doctors in the premises of the hospital. This, of course, is the Kolkata Medical College Hospital, another premier institute. Just like RG Kar Medical College Hospital, there are several medical college hospitals in Kolkata. They're all century-old. Calcutta Medical College Hospital is one of the most prestigious government medical facilities, not just in Bengal or Calcutta, but in the entire country. And doctors from the Calcutta Medical College, this is symbolic. They are marching towards the Kolkata police headquarters because two of these doctors have received a summon. They have taken due legal recourse. They have spoken to their lawyers, and now they are going to the Kolkata police headquarters, accompanied by, they didn't go alone yesterday, accompanied by the entire medical fraternity today. So clearly, this is going to be one big, I would say, a showdown. Perhaps we don't know what's going to happen, but doctors are taking out this peaceful march to the Kolkata police headquarters. Akshita, back to you.
It's bizarre. The reason that doctors are out there protesting is that these two very reputed doctors in Bengal have been issued notices. They haven't spread fake news. Based on facts mentioned in the post-mortem report, they have actually gone ahead and raised questions. And everyone, of course, has a right to question how the investigation is moving forward. For that, they've been summoned right now by the Kolkata police. But Indrajit, in the face of this kind of a protest, has there been any clarification that's really coming from the Kolkata police on why this kind of a summon was issued to two doctors who nearly asked questions?
Well, Akshita, as I said, what we have heard from police sources and from these two doctors is that, they have been summoned because the Kolkata police has served summons to a lot of people, not just doctors, but even Trinamool Congress Rajya Sabha MP Shukhendu Shekhar Roy. He has also received 2 summons yesterday. Mostly, they are alleging, the police of course is alleging that these summons have been issued to those people, those who have spoke out in the media or who have posted something on social media that may create, that may send out some sort of a misinformation, create a wrong perception as far as this case is concerned, because it's sub judice. That's the reason why the police seem to be acting, is what we have heard from police sources, from their side. The doctors on their part are saying they are only raising the valid questions that need to be asked right now, and there is no intention to spread any sort of misinformation. So, it's some sort of a, tug of war that's happening between the doctors. And as you can see, these are the kind of scenes that we are seeing, not just at the RG Kar Medical College Hospital. This is the Calcutta Medical College Hospital. Protests happening. This is, of course, a protest stage that has been set up here at the Calcutta Medical College Hospital, where doctors are protesting, today. And just like what we have been seeing at the RG Kar Medical College Hospital, and there is also a statue of Abhaya, the victim of this incident. Abhaya, of course, depicted as Abhaya, of course, depicted as a young girl who is donning the doctor's robe with the stethoscope, and also there are floral respects and candles that have been raised here.
Okay, all right, Indrajit, getting us that live report.